Pitman Shorthand Exercise 21. Be ready. Start. I may be with you on Monday, the 4th of May. If you will be ready when I come, I shall be happy to take the ride with you to the show. I think you will enjoy the ride and you may take a fair share of the game. How do you like the new book? I think you were right to come away when you were feeling weary. I have had a talk with Webb and Duke, who were both at the party on Monday. I saw Booth today and he will be with us at the show. If you should know anybody who can share the work of the opera with us, I shall be happy to know. I have a new camera which I should like to show you when I see you. I shall be happy to see you tomorrow if you can come. Stop.